Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to demonstrate chemiluminescence by using a luminol solution and some hydrogen peroxide. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration is a luminol solution and 6% hydrogen peroxide that will be used to oxidize the luminol, and of course this metric flask. Okay, so check out what happens when I slowly add equal amounts of luminol with hydrogen peroxide to my metric flask. Just amazing. So friends, this isn't the only place you see chemiluminescence. You also see it in nature when a firefly emits its glow or an anglerfish's tentacle glows in the deep ocean. What's happening in this reaction is that hydrogen peroxide, it's oxidizing the luminol. It's exciting those electrons and they go to an outer energy level. And when they return to their original energy level, each electron gives off a photon or a particle of light, and that's what causes that amazing blue glow. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.